Take a ride in the 2018 Grand Cherokee. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, four-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: suspension control, electronic, power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, exterior entry lights, roof rails, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera, leather trim seats, airbags, driver, knee, heated steering wheel, electronic messaging assistance, footwell lights, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.